Today, let's talk about something truly powerful, manifesting permanent healing. I want you to know that healing is not something outside of you. It's not something you need to chase or beg for. The ability to heal is right there within you always. It's your birthright. When you tap into this inner power, you will not only heal your body, but also your mind and spirit. Healing is a holistic experience, and it starts with self-love. And the first step to permanent healing is to truly love and accept yourself just as you are right now. I know this might be difficult, especially if you're struggling with a condition or illness. You may think, how I love myself, my body is in pain, when I feel weak, or when I'm not where I want to be. But the truth is, healing begins when we stop criticizing ourselves. Every critical thought is like a barrier that blocks your healing energy. When you start loving yourself, you open the doors to recovery and your body begins to respond. Start by saying this to yourself: I love and accept myself exactly as I am. Say it with conviction. You might not believe it at first, and that's okay. What's important is that you keep saying it. Over time, this affirmation will start to feel true. And once you begin to believe it, you will notice a shift in your energy. You will start to feel lighter, and your body will begin to heal. The second key to manifesting permanent healing is forgiveness. Holding on to anger, resentment, or guilt keeps your body in a state of tension and stress. These negative emotions can manifest as physical ailments if left unchecked. You might not realize it, but your body holds on to emotional wounds as much as it does physical ones. Forgiveness is a gift you give to yourself. It releases the heavy burden of the past and allows your body to relax into the present moment. To forgive, you don't have to condone the actions of others or pretend that things didn't hurt you. Forgiveness is about freeing yourself from the grip of the past. It's about choosing peace over pain. Say to yourself, I forgive you and I release you. These words have the power to set you free and create space for healing to occur. Now, I want you to breathe deeply and exhale all the tension and stress you've been holding. With each breath, visualize yourself releasing all the negativity and pain that no longer serves you. Picture your body filling up with light, love, and healing energy. You are not broken, you are whole. And with each breath, you are moving closer to the radiant health you deserve. Another essential aspect of healing is trusting the process. Healing doesn't always happen overnight. It's a journey, and sometimes it requires patience. But don't give up. Your body is listening to your thoughts, and it is constantly working to bring you back into balance. Every cell in your body has intelligence, and when you nourish your mind with positive thoughts, your body responds. Instead of focusing on what's wrong, shift your attention to what's right. Celebrate the small victories along the way. Maybe today you felt a little better than yesterday. Maybe today you had a little more energy, or your pain subsided for a while. These are signs that your healing is underway. Trust that your body knows what it needs to heal and give it the love and support it needs. Affirmations are a powerful tool in this process. Your words have creative power and they shape your reality. I want you to practice these affirmations daily. I am healthy, whole, and complete. Every cell in my body is filled with love and light. I am worthy of perfect health. Say them out loud, write them down, repeat them throughout the day. The more you affirm health and healing, the more your body will align with those thoughts. And it's also important to take care of your physical body during this healing process. Nourish yourself with healthy, vibrant foods that support your body's healing mechanisms. Drink plenty of water, rest when you need to, and move your body in ways that feel good to you. Your body is your temple, and it deserves love and care. Lastly, don't forget to be kind and patient with yourself. Healing is not always linear, and there may be setbacks along the way. That's okay. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a step in the right direction. Trust that you are exactly where you need to be, and everything is unfolding for your highest good. The healing process is a beautiful journey of rediscovering your innate power. When you love yourself unconditionally, forgive those who have hurt you, and trust in the intelligence of your body, you open the door to Brahmania. You are not a victim of your circumstances or your body. You are a powerful creator, and you have the ability to manifest perfect health. And note, the most important relationship you have is with yourself. When you love and nurture yourself, your body responds in miraculous ways. Healing is possible for you, and it starts with the thoughts you think, the words you speak, and the love you give to yourself. Now take a moment to thank yourself for being here, for showing up for your healing, and for choosing to love yourself. You are worthy of all the health, happiness, and love this world has to offer. And with each loving thought you send to yourself, you are one step closer to the healing you seek. You are loved, you are supported, and you are healing right here, right now. Think of this journey with love and watch as your body transforms in ways you never thought possible. Keep affirming, keep loving, and keep trusting. Your healing is already on its way. And healing is such a profound experience that goes far beyond the physical. It's not just about fixing what's broken or mending what's hurting. It's about discovering a deeper connection to your true self. As you continue this process, it's essential to nurture your emotional and mental well-being. Often, when we're in pain or struggling with an illness, our emotions can feel overwhelming, and you might find yourself feeling anxious, frustrated, or even hopeless at times. But these emotions, too, are a part of the healing process. Rather than pushing them away or trying to suppress them, acknowledge what you're feeling. Emotions are like waves. They come and go. By allowing yourself to feel them fully without judgment, you create space for emotional healing. One helpful practice in times of emotional overwhelm is mindfulness. Mindfulness is simply the act of being present in the moment, observing your thoughts and feelings without trying to change or control them. When you are mindful, you become aware of the sensations in your body and the flow of your thoughts, but you remain detached from them. You might notice tension in your body or thoughts racing through your mind, but instead of getting caught up in them, you just observe them. This practice can help calm your mind and soothe your body, allowing healing to take place on a deeper level. In addition to mindfulness, gratitude plays a crucial role in healing. When you focus on what is good in your life, even amidst challenges, you shift your energy towards positivity. Gratitude doesn't mean ignoring the difficulties, but it allows you to appreciate the little things that are going right. Start each day by acknowledging 3 things you are grateful for. They don't have to be big things. Perhaps it's the warmth of the sun, a conversation with a friend, or the ability to breathe deeply. These small moments of appreciation will uplift your spirit and create a fertile ground for healing. As you continue your journey, pay attention to the relationships in your life. Healing is often supported by the love and care of others. Who are the people that uplift you? Surround yourself with those who offer genuine love, encouragement, and positive energy. On the other hand, it's also important to create boundaries with those who drain your energy or bring negativity into your life. You have the right to protect your well-being and choose the relationships that nourish your heart and soul. Healing, too, is about letting go of control. There is a tendency to want to control every aspect of your life, to know how and when things will get better. But true healing requires surrender. When you release the need to control every outcome, you allow the universe to work in ways you may not expect. Trust that there is a higher wisdom guiding you and that things will unfold in perfect timing. Surrender isn't about giving up. It's about trusting the process and allowing life to flow naturally. In conclusion, your healing is unfolding. You are learning to nurture your body, mind, and spirit with love and care. You're releasing old patterns, thinking about new ways of thinking, and opening yourself up to the possibility of vibrant health. Healing isn't a destination, it's an ongoing experience of becoming more aligned with your true self. Continue to be kind to yourself, practice patience, and honor where you are in the moment. Before you go, if this message resonated with you, I encourage you to like this video. It's a simple way to show support for yourself and for others who are on a similar path. Your engagement helps spread positive energy, and by liking the video, you're sharing that energy with those who might need it. If you found this helpful and want more content that supports your growth, be sure to subscribe to the channel. By subscribing, you'll ensure you don't miss out on future videos that guide you towards healing, personal growth, and transformation. Also, if this video brought you any value or comfort, take a moment to leave a comment and share your thoughts or experiences. I'd love to hear how this message is supporting you, and your words may inspire others who are reading. If you've already subscribed, consider sharing this video with someone you care about. Sometimes a message like this is exactly what someone needs to hear, and you have the power to share that healing energy with others by simply forwarding this video. And lastly, if you're feeling inspired, go ahead and hit the notification bell after you subscribe. This way, you'll be instantly notified when new content is available, and you can continue your journey with support and guidance right at your fingertips. And thank you for being here. Your presence matters. And by engaging with this content, you're contributing to a world filled with more love and healing.